stay.
As soon as I touch the gas, it ain't gonna stay.
You're not turning. You can't turn.
Nope. I see. There's a fire truck or an emergency vehicle? Going out in the third
There's the
lane?
fire truck, and then there's the train.
Is he gonna turn?
Oh, that sucks.
Yeah, somebody's in his way.
That sucks.
You got the train blowing its horn and the fire engine. Did you get the fire engine going by? Did you?
Hey, look, it's a gray ghost
Yeah.
from Mexico.
From Mexico? Yeah.
KCSM.
Look, there's 20 people on each car.
Oh, God. Oh, boy.
I wouldn't doubt it.
Oh, God.
Well, they help, distributing the goods.
Oh, Grandpa. Oh, boy.
Sad humor.
Yeah.
The Yoke Boys killed.
Huh.
The Yoke Boys? I was waiting for the next car to say, no, they don't.
The amount of gray ghosts I've seen since the merger of CPKC. Ever since CPKC started existing.
Well, it's got a bunch of these are the cars that carry autos.
Yeah, these are the auto racks.
So they're could be coming from Mexico for, because they make a lot of vehicles down in Mexico.
This way's to Canada. That way's to Mexico.
Well, no, they're going to Chicago.
Oh yeah, they're going to Chicago. That way's from Canada. This whole line used to be owned by the little Milwaukee Road, and it still stands with Metro.
Yeah. Well, maybe these are empty and they've taken them somewhere and they're coming back.
They're definitely not empty.
No, they got cars in them?
They all got cars in them.
All right.
There's going to be trails as well.